we have time.
Lumaki ako sa Samar na very fresh ang environment and the mountains, you know, and it's a very simple life. Doon nagsimula ang imagination ko. Yeah. In the province. No, it's not the simplicity because the collection is not simple.
Yeah.
It's opulence, it's grand. Yeah. So I live in a place and I grew up in a place that it's so simple. It's something like a small town, a fishing village. So I have to dream, I have to create my own fantasies. So kailangan talaga yung grande ang nasa utak mo.
Yeah.
Kasi simple ang nakikita mo sa kapaligiran mo. Yeah. Actually, I was nung bata pa ako, mahilig talaga akong manood ng mga black and white horror films. And my parents are always asking me why.
Oh.
And because I'm a dreamer, kahit nung bata pa ako, mahilig na akong mangarap. So, pinangarap ko talaga yung mga old Hollywood stars na magsusuot ng mga ganyan. Dinadamitan ko sila in my dreams. Exactly.
Right?
It's all about dreams. Yeah. That's why most of my fashion shows, I always use the word impalpable dream. Pag suot ko ang shades, ang tingin ko sa tao, maganda silang lahat. It's my passion, and I'm a very shy person. So, para sa akin, parang yun ang pang-ano ko, pang-takip sa mga ano. Sakay, pag inspired ka, this is really what I wanted to do in my whole life. I can't imagine myself na, hindi ko ma-imagine ang sarili ko kung nagagawa ng ibang bagay other than fashion. And pagising ko sa umaga, wala akong salamin. So panibagong umaga siya, panibagong dream. Pagsuot ng salamin, panibagong fantasy na naman.